So I want to show you here a bit how do I work with the blasting cabinet. Basically, you put your hands on these gloves and you get the gun, the piece, and you start basically going over it like so. And what you do is trying to go over all the areas until you get a nice shiny finish throughout. I'm going to do another video about just working generally with a blasting cabinet and some tips that I've learned over years of working with this sort of tools. It's quite a good tool of the trade. And for small pieces, what I do is I generally tend to grab them with one of these. And once you grab hold of the piece, you can start cleaning it. And you'll have to do that with every single piece. And sometimes they fly off, and that's the reason why I've got this little basket, so it acts as a holder for all the pieces that I'm cleaning off. This is a really easy process. It just requires a bit of patience, really. So we've now taken the carb out of the bead blaster, and pretty much the first thing you need to do when you take it out is to go through all of the passages with compressed air. And generally what I obviously you have to wear a protection because it's like a metric ton of stuff that is racing straight to your eyes. I've done that several times. So what I generally try and do to get one of these, and I just gently give it a tap. Why? Because this kind of loosens up any loose glass beads that might be around. And basically you have to, you see something just came up there, and you have to go through every single hole in the car. And every single passage. This is gonna, I know it sounds a bit and what we're trying to do here is to try and take out absolutely every single last ounce of glass beads that they might have been, because if not, that's going to create lots of problems when we get to reassemble the cover. And obviously all the jetting, you really need to go through this very carefully with the airline, ideally more than once, and before I start the assembly process I always do this again. Even though I've done it, I still do it one more time just to be careful. Generally there's nothing much there once you've blown through it a couple of times, but still it's always helpful to do it. So hopefully now you can see why I use bead blasting as a cleaning process, because it's really good for these kind of nooks and crannies that all carburetors have, that are very difficult to clean otherwise. And also it just looks good, it just looks clean from the outside. And also all the passages in here and in here and throughout here have been thoroughly clean. If you've seen the video before, you will see that this was quite frankly in a bit of a state before I started, and now it's clean, that can be reassembled. This was full of basically the bits that decomposed from the spring. And the other thing about the bead blaster is that all these components are now kind of really clean, and they are really to be reassembled again. These are the throttle blades, and this one's as well. So this is a top as well, which is very clean. It's cleaned up really nice. So this is a very good process, a very good tool to have to clean the parts.